My name is Jared Irusi with Lowcountry Contractors. We are here in Mount Pleasant for an interior remodel, sunroom enclosure, and I just wanted to start at the front door here because this is going to be a brand new thermatrue door with a beautiful design inside the glass, new side lights. And I'm just going to walk you inside and show you what's going on inside. So throughout the whole home, we're going to do new flooring, taking up all the engineered flooring, all the carpet and tile that's in the house, putting down luxury vinyl planking throughout. The kitchen is getting completely new cabinets and countertops, and we're going to do brand new light fixtures, and we're going to repaint the entire home. We have bedrooms in the front here with a bathroom that we're going to do new flooring, vanity, and repaint. All new light fixtures, mirrors, new interior doors, beautiful 4-panel, raised panel throughout the whole entire home. And here as we go to the back of the house, this screened-in porch here is going to become a new fully enclosed sunroom with its own heating and air conditioning, brand new windows, brand new exterior door. We're going to remove all of the existing vinyl here on the ceiling, encapsulate it in new drywall and insulation, create a nice cozy room for 3+ seasons down here. So as part of this new sunroom enclosure, we are going to remove the existing patio door and transom above, make a nice grand trim opening that will allow this sunroom and its current screen-in porch to become part of the house and kitchen and all one open area. As we go into the master suite and ensuite, here we're going to do new flooring throughout, new interior doors, new casing, painting everything. And here in the master ensuite, we're removing the existing vanity, the existing soaking tub and shower, enlarging this master shower stall. Glass here, blocks are staying with a makeup vanity underneath. All new vanities in here and new plumbing fixtures throughout. That's about it.